Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about types of chemical equations. Okay, types of chemical equations. There are mainly four types. First one is chemical combination. First one is chemical combination reaction. And second one is decomposition reaction. And third one is displacement reaction. And fourth one is double displacement reaction. Okay, so chemical equations are four types. So first one is chemical combination reaction, second one decomposition reaction, and third one is displacement reaction, and the fourth one is a double displacement reaction. First of all, we discuss about chemical combination reaction. Clear? So what is chemical combination reaction? So chemical combination reaction means simply two or more substances combine to give a single compound. That is called a chemical combination reaction. Okay. For example, take magnesium. So magnesium is bonding with oxygen gas. Magnesium is bonding with oxygen gas. Okay, to give white powder. That white powder is called simply magnesium oxide. So this is white powder. Oxygen gas and magnesium ribbons. Okay, take magnesium ribbons. Okay, magnesium ribbons is bonding with oxygen gas to give white powder. That white powder indicates magnesium oxide. Clear? This is the example for chemical combination reaction. So what is chemical combination? Two or more substances, okay, combine to give a single compound. Okay, students, now second reaction, decomposition reaction. So what is the decomposition reaction? So what is the definition? So simply a single compound, okay, a single compound divided into two or more substances. Okay, so the chemical reaction in which a single compound divided into two or more compounds. Okay, that is called simply decomposition reaction. For example, take calcium carbonate. So it is solid. So you know calcium carbonate means sunnam antam kadamma adamma. Okay, suddha or sunnam ani cheptam kada. So calcium carbonate, so limestone. It is simply limestone. Okay, so calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Clear? So calcium carbonate is heating to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas, solid and solid. Clear? So here you only take one single compound. It divided into two or more compounds. Here calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Clear? A single compound decomposes into two or more substances. Okay, that type of equation is called decomposition reaction. So it is explained with one small activity. Here, okay, what are the operators? First one, take one test tube. The test tube is filled with calcium carbonate. Here calcium carbonate here, and it is stand with simply by using stand okay, and so now a derivative tube is connected with the mouth of the test tube. Okay, so now the calcium carbonate is heating by burner or spirit lamp. Okay, so after some time one gas is evolved in the test tube. That is carbon dioxide gas. Clear? So now this gas is sent by using derivative tube like this. Okay, now take a binding masticum. It is kept near the mouth of the delivery tube. Okay, then the binding mastic put off. That indicates here one gas is formed, that is carbon dioxide gas. So clear all of you? So very simple activity. Here what are the materials? Delivery tube, Walling tube or test tube, and calcium carbonate. Okay, binding mastic and one stand. Clear all of you? About third equation, that is displacement reaction. So what is displacement reaction? Simply one substance is replaced with other substance. Okay, clear? So now simply take iron plus copper sulfate. Okay, so Fe indicates iron, CuSO4 indicates copper sulfate. Here copper is replaced with iron. Okay, so now after chemical equation, Cu is separate and FeSO4 is formed. Clear? So here one element is replaced with, or one atom is replaced with other atom. That is called simply displacement reaction. Clear? So iron is reacted with copper sulfate, then copper is displaced with iron. So clear all of you? Now fourth one is double displacement reaction. Okay, so what is double displacement reaction? The reaction in which two atoms or two ions are exchanged with other two atoms or two ions. Clear? So here two ions exchanged with two different ions. Okay, for example, take BaSO4, sorry, BaCl2, barium chloride, and Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. Okay, BaCl2 means barium chloride, Na2SO4 means sodium sulfate. Now here barium is replaced with sodium. For example, NaCl plus BaSO4, 2 NaCl. Clear all of you? This is example for double displacement reaction. So exchanging of two ions. Here barium also exchange and chlorine also exchange. Okay. So barium is combined with sulfate and chlorine is combined with sodium. Clear? Here barium also exchanging and chlorine also replaced with sulfate. Clear all of you? So this is example for double displacement reaction. Clear all of you? The exchange of two ions is called simply double displacement reaction. Clear all of you? So total number of equations 4 types: displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, combination reaction, and decomposition reaction. Clear all of you?